Hello and welcome to Maker's Life. Today we're going to be creating some smoke bombs. So for the ingredients, we're going to be using
used in stump remover and powdered sugar. So the sugar is the fuel. There is a lot of energy in sugar. That's why it makes you hyper. And that's why we use it for rockets. And then potassium nitrate, KNO3, 3 parts oxygen for 1 part potassium. So this is a really good oxidizer. Now, to make it more of a smoke bomb and less of a rocket fuel, you add a little bit of baking soda. And then another little trick to make it burn a little longer, we're going to add a little bit of cornstarch. Now to get the color that we want, there's many different ways to do it. I'm going to use some basic crayons as a base. I'm going to add some of this gel food color into it to give it a little accent. So the ratio for this experiment is 6:4:1. 6 part potassium nitrate, 4 parts powdered sugar, 1 part baking soda. Cornstarch. Now I'm going to turn this on. Not 100%. I'm going to turn it on and start melting the crayons. Mixture in here with the wax now. And now we got to stir and heat it up and melt it together again. The sugar will melt.
Do you still want it to be a hard powder?
You'll see.
Water? Are you gonna put it
Over here like, what the?
Yeah,
That's not what it's
or
meant to be.
wax thing?
You'll see.